Wednesday and we are back over here, and today imagine you want to host and you want to become the host with the most. So what are you going to do? You just don't do it ordinarily, right? Yeah, so today we're just going to show you how to make something extra tasty, and also it's a way to repurpose your leftover rice that you've left over in the fridge and you still don't want to eat it as rice, right? Normal is boring actually, so how can you make it more lively and also become the host to the most when you get a surprise guest over for lunch or for dinner and you were not expecting it? So karibuni. Bowl, just add in some boneless chicken. So over here I use chicken breast. Then I'm going to add some bit of oil. This helps the spices to adhere to the chicken breast. Then add your spices. I'm going to list the spices in the description box. Add some bit of vinegar, then some soy sauce onto the chicken breast, and then just mix to coat the chicken with your spices. Next we're going to cook the chicken breast. So in a pan, add in some bit of oil if you're using a pan that is not non-stick. Then add in your chicken breast onto the pan and cook on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's well cooked on one side. Then next, just flip over your chicken breast to cook on the other side. You can add in a bit of oil, that is if you're using a pan that is not non-stick. Let it cool, then once ready, remove from the pan. Just cut your chicken into small bite pieces and then set your chicken aside. Then in a separate cooking pan or sufuria, just add in your oil and then add in your onions and fry until golden brown or a bit translucent. Just add in your dhania stems and then 1 teaspoon of your ginger and garlic paste and fry for about 1 minute until you can smell the aroma from the garlic and ginger paste. Just add in your chopped bell peppers. Over here I use the red, yellow and green bell peppers, and then start to mix together. As the bell peppers are cooking in a separate bowl, just prepare your sauce. So add in some bit of soy sauce followed by 1 tablespoon of honey and then some sugar. Just mix it together and there you'll have your simple teriyaki sauce for use. Set it aside and continue. Add in your spices, the same spices we used over here, onto your bell peppers and some salt, and then I added some bit of also cardamom for the rice flavor. Add in some very little water. This will help deglaze the pan so that your spices and your mixture doesn't stick onto the pan. After deglazing, just add in your chicken pieces into your pan, then start to mix. Follow by adding your leftover rice, ile rice yenye ilibakia jana usiku, just add in into your cooking pan. Then add in your teriyaki sauce on top of the rice. Give your mixture a good mix to mix the rice together with the other ingredients and with the sauce. Add in your pineapple pieces, just some bit of pineapple pieces onto your mixture. Then cover and let it cook. As the rice cooks or warms up, just prepare your pineapple bowl that we're going to use to serve. So using a paring knife or just a small knife, create some outlines across your pineapple that will be your guiding lines. Then using the same knife, just now cut deeper into the pineapple to cut through across the outlines that you created. Then cut your pineapples into some pieces. Then using a scoop, if you have a scoop, or using a spoon, just scoop out the pieces that you've cut out until you have a clear pineapple bowl, as you can see over here. Once your rice is ready, just garnish with some few dhania leaves and then remove it from the heat and serve into your pineapple bowl and enjoy your meal. Serving your guests just like this. Number 1, hauchafui sufuria. Remember, you're just from cooking, you don't want to add more piles of dirty dishes to do, so you serve them with this, and it's actually repurposing the fruit itself. You've used it in your meal, and now you're using it also as your plate. And after that, hauchoki kuosha vyombo. Imagine just that. And you become the host to the most, because you're not just going to serve them with ordinary plates, right? Yeah, so here it is. So we're going to definitely do a taste test and see whether we've nailed it or it was a disappointment. So let's have a try. And here with our fork, so we're just going to give it a taste test and see whether we've actually nailed it. Wow. My two favorite flavors over here has to be the rosemary and the cardamom that are blended so perfectly. I mean, that's just the whole magic of it. Yeah, so till next time, remember to subscribe and tell your friends to also subscribe. And let's grow to 1,000 subscribers. Let's become one family and one community. Till next time, I'll go and enjoy my food. And also, have a lovely day. Goodbye. Till next Wednesday, same time, same place for another recipe. And also remember on Friday for something else unexpected. Thank you so much. Goodbye.